The final of my 5 technologies is a Google a Day. This is a website that can be used for students to teach research skills. After you have talked about research skills and some of the ways to make Googling a lot easier, or searching for information, researching a lot easier, this is a fun interactive game for kids to play to put those skills to work. In today's world, a lot of times we say, why are we teaching kids when all they have to do is Google information or to search for information on the internet to find the answer? What we're forgetting to do is to step back and teach kids how to do relevant searches and to vet the information to make sure that they are finding appropriate sources. The first thing that it shows down here at the bottom are the tips and the tricks. When you click on that, after you click Start Playing, you can open up some tips and tricks, and it shows ways to make sure that the websites that you're finding are relevant and the information is accurate. It goes through analyzing different websites, understanding the different types, to showing tricks to use in the search bar. When you want to exclude certain information, or if you want a specific set of words searched out in order. It also gives you ways to use the calculator now that Google will do math for you, and it shows ways of finding different pertinent types of information. So after you have done that, it will give you a question down here, and it shows a countdown. The quicker you find it, the more points you're going to get. But it asks 3 different questions. What is the name of the facility where Holly goes each week to visit Salvatore Tomato? Students can search up here different words that they think are important. To see if they can find the answer. Showing them important things like previews can possibly give them the right answer. So let's try it. We got it. What nation was the source of the missiles found aboard the Yemen-bound unflagged freighter? This one is going to be a little more difficult, so if students need to get a hint or to show the first letters of the word or words that it's accepting, those are also down there. If they need a hint, they can click there. You can also tell them that once it gets to a certain number on their countdown, then they can use the show the first letters. That's completely up to you. Some of them need to open up and actually read through, because it's not going to give the answers always in the preview. So they can look through here. If they're still having difficulties, let them show the first letters and see if they can find the relevant information based off of that. I'm going to guess right here is our answer. So when birds remain airborne and moving without flapping their wings, on what are they gliding? So they can search words like birds. It's really important to teach the important words that they're looking for so that they can speed up their search. Showing information like this is going to help them in boosting their research skills, which is something that's extremely important in today's society. So this gives you some information. It shows you their total points. And the Google a Day website really addresses the 2 ISTE standards, S3b, since it's for students, evaluating the accuracy, perspective, credibility, and the relevance of information, media, data, and other resources. It's truly working on their research skills, so it's addressing that accuracy piece specifically. And then the S6b, to create original works and responsibly repurpose or remix digital resources into new creations. It's helping them to understand the information that they're finding so they can synthesize that and create new meaning out of it.